Hi, this is Tony with FundamentalForexBlogging.com. Today, the Fundamental Forex blog is presenting the monthly release of the British Claimant Count Change and Unemployment Rate reports, released monthly by the British National Statistics. This report was released on Wednesday, September 15th, 2010, and posted on the blog www.fundamentalforexblogging.com on September 30th, 2010. This is my first video of this report, and it will show just what may happen when one does not pay attention when planning a trade. Here was my setup to trade the currency pair British pound against the US dollar. Early on, my broker spread shown here is small, but may go up considerably about a minute before the news release. Next is my written plan for the trade if there is a surprise to the market. I'm looking for a difference of 20,000 between the actual report and the forecast, which is a negative 51,000. In this plan, if the report comes out 26,000 or more, then I will buy. If it comes out a negative 37,400 or lower, I will sell. But notice my plan does not reflect reality. It should be out at 14,900, then buy, or out at a negative 25,100, then sell. Check out what happens with poor planning. I use the Forex Factory's calendar since they have an actual pending button which will give me the news report within a minute or two. That green button. There is less than a minute until the news release, so I will keep an eye on the broker spread, which was at a negative 0.84 and is now a negative 1.75, which will remain there until about 3 seconds before the report release, when it decreases to a negative 1.13, which is unusual. It will remain there until about 1 minute and 13 seconds after the report release, when it will decrease to about a negative 0.90. It is near time to get the news release. At times it takes a few clicks of the actual report buttons to get the report. The actual report came out at 6.4K, higher than the forecast. This is bad for the British economy. There was no change to the unemployment rate. This could be a conflict for the market or a surprise to the market. There is some time left before the broker spread returns to a level which is safe to enter a trade. At times I will refresh the calendar to see if the previous report results has been revised. I have noticed that the market seems to pause until it is known if there is a revision. Think maybe it is just my imagination working overtime? Check it out sometime. With the broker spread being near normal, I will sell the currency pair in the second minute, but I will not execute another sell order this time. Now that I have a sell trade going, my exit buy market order is ready for an exit, and I will exit this trade in the 9th minute for a win. This was a 5.4 pip win total. Check out the charts. When there are two news reports coming out at the same time, and both may influence the market, it can be mind-numbing trying to make a decision whether or not to enter a trade. With the unemployment rate coming out as forecast, the market may look at it as bad or good. Hard to tell. With the claimant count change higher than forecast, we know that is bad. What to do? It is a gamble due to a possible conflict. I started posting the British claimant count change and unemployment rate report on my blog in August of 2009. I have traded two different currency pairs, the British pound against the US dollar 4 times, and the British pound against the Japanese yen 3 times. Only one loser of the 8 trades. I entered 2 trades during one report. On the blog post is a follow-up to 4 follow-up posts. Check this post to see how the market moved. The next scheduled release is on Wednesday, June 17, 2011. The best currency pair for the trade for this release was the British pound against the Swiss franc. The main reason for waiting until the broker spread returns to a normal level is to avoid being stopped out as soon as entering a trade. Trust me. The actual claimant count report was outside the forecast made by economists and was not in favor of the British economy. The unemployment rate was just as forecast, a guessing game there. Anyway, this was good for my plan since the market moved in the direction I thought it would. I have posted a follow-up report on my blog which will show how 6 different currency charts moved in the aftermath of this news release. This video is presented by the Fundamental Forex blog. I wrote a follow-up post on the blog www.fundamentalforexblogging.com. Click the link below this video to check out what happened on the 6 currency charts I monitor for this particular news release. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.